So if you ever wanted to know how a resettable circuit breaker works, well, these are the auto resets, and it's quite a simple thing. So when you pop it open, you've got your two posts and you've got a piece of metal in between, very thin metal in between. And what happens is that is a closed circuit now, so the power is running through. When it gets to a certain heat or amps coming through that piece of metal, it just pops the metal apart, and that's broken the circuit. And then as it cools, it'll come back down and rejoin the circuit again. Such a simple item, but it does show you that inside the little unit there can be failures in that. So we've found those where that didn't actually function properly and didn't separate and has melted down the entire unit. It's one of the big advantages of a mini fuse. You can actually see it's broken and be sure it's not working.